So, hello guys. Welcome to my video. So, maglalaro nga pala tayo ng horror game at ang title niya is Wanderer Zero. So, basahin muna natin. Joke lang, wag na kasi tinatamad ako. Tamad ako magbasa eh. Lang nga, 5 yung kasi maingay ito. You always look so sad. You look terrible. I feel sorry for you. Maybe I can save you. I can make you happy. So what? Kill what? Kill. Sino? Kill everyone. Nanggagago ka. Ba't ko gagawin yun? Ano ka, gold? Yan, amaga. Ngiti-ngiti mo dyan. Kakin. Remember, suffer. Huh? Nangyari? Wonder it. Lo, as our story about a small world begins here. Within this small world, there are two realms that exist within. One of them is Sun Lily. The other realm is called Moon Lily. Both of these realms can be... Di ko pa na nga nababase, napindot ko pa. The residents living on the realm of Sun Lily are called Sun Lilians. On the other hand, the residents living on Moon Lily are called Moon Lilians. Sun Lily relies on the sun's energy to live, and Moon Lily thrives with the energy of Sun Lilian dreams, used as sustenance. Di ko alam basahin ko lang. Together, they live happily. However, monsters suddenly appeared in Sun Lily and began attacking the people. This outbreak was... The monster was in the blah. To all the residents of Sun Lily. Ano ba yun? Ano ba talaga nangyayari? Ay. A TV. We company. First and foremost, we would like to express our deepest condolence to those who have lost their family member. Ang sakit naman ng story na to. Ang sakit. The cause of the pandemic someone has used a shield to distract the Molivians for the next course action is responded to we have decided to make a shield. Ano na nangyayari dito? She will not responsible in much way. Okay. Ano ba yan? Ayoko na. Skip natin doon. Alan? Asan ka, Alan? Alan, can you hear me? It's me, Yumi. You're in a nightmare, but I'll help you guide you out. Walk by using the left and right controls. Run by using sprint. Okay. Be careful of your stamina. So, may stamina to. Jump up. Blah, blah, blah. Anong monster? Lo! Teka, I'm scared eh. Watch out. Nang aano ka ba? Gusto mo atang masapak eh. Ano yun? Naging error. Babla. La. Dapat tas open na. Wake up, Alan. Oo nga, gumising ka na. Napapahamak na ako dito eh. Dahil sa'yo, sasampalin kita eh. Sinampal ko siya para magising siya. Wake up, Alan. Wake up. Huh? Where am I? Finally, you woke up. You are inside the dream. I see, so that's how it is. In that case, good night. I need to go back to sleep. Nanggagago ka? Gusto mo tang masapak ah. Joke lang. No, don't go back to sleep. If you go back to sleep now, it's pointless coming out the world of dreams. Seriously? By the way, who are you? You seem quite familiar. Really? You can't possibly have forgotten me, have you? Wait, I'll try to remember. And you are familiar. I feel like I can remember something. Ano yun? Aha. Well, did you finally remember me? Nope, I can't remember. I can't remember anything at all. I'm you will, even you've forgotten me by now, you will likely remember while exploring the dim. Skip natin guys. Kasi
Nasabi ko sa inyo, huwag niyo akong hahakbangan. Ilalapastangan niyo ako.
Bulaga. Monster. Hold right there, not call me master, you too harsh.
Hakbang ka ng hakbang.
Tarantado ka pala. Eh, ginugulat-gulat mo ko eh, tapos gagalit ka, bobo ka. Seriously? Do you know the curse of the scream? Skip natin guys. We are strawberry actually looking for us, right?
Wala kayo.
You're kidding right here.
Pakialam mo, matanda pa rin yung kapangan.
This today mean to. Monsters, I'll try to remember. Could you give me another hint about it? Well, since it seems like you forgot it, allow me to joke your memory and go along. Ano ba yan? Binabasa ko pa nga. When I first came to the store, you greeted me as your best but kaya na lang magbasa guys kasi tinatamad ako magbasa. Agoy, sakit naman nun. Skip ko na guys kasi tumahaba na ang video para sa akin. Joke lang, wag na. Oo nga, ba't kami iyak? Kaiyak. I remember now, you are Robbie. Come here, Robbie. Ay, ang cute awit. I'm so sorry for not realizing soon. It seems I blast from my memories after entering the dream. It makes sense now. Come here ka. Joke lang. Funny is that so, but it's like a dream that I'm actually moving. Do we hopefully to put together back and ba yan? Ay! Ano yun? That's about it. Wow, what's going on? A blackout on all of all sudden. It's so dark and I can't see anything. Is there anything we have? It's like so far. This is distant food and no one, we don't have a such thing now. The family. Bigla ka. But right now, it's difficult to walk around blind. What should we do? Oh no, we're going to be eaten by phantasma. What should we do? What should we do? Ah! Calm down. Hinampas ka tuloy. Ouch. I see something shiny. Saan? I completely forgot about this. What is that? You need a lamp. A lamp? Well, it would definitely be nice to have one. But I can't find it in the dark like this. For starters, trying to put your hand on your chest, close your eyes, and then imagine the light. Like this. Wow, a lamp really appeared. This is your hope. It can illuminate even the darkest of darkness, even when you can see practically nothing but black. Yeah, now I feel safe. It as if my world is safe. Ha, epal ka, charot. I feel is this lang. Okay. Kaya na lang magbasa ulit. Haha. Ang cute niya. Teka lang. Babae ba siya o lalaki? Ba't kasi hindi? Ano ba yan? Wait lang nga. Palang ano yun? Ignore lang siguro natin yan. Huwag natin pansinin. Natatakot ako. Uy, salamat. May ilaw na. Uy, ano yun? No! So what's going on? Oh, my head hurts. You cannot escape this nightmare. Stop. You can hide from Patasok if they too close. Complete the task on PC to adventure. Check the cameras to see instant. Keep the red locker sealed. Hindi ko kaya to. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko to eh. So guys, stop ko muna yung video. Gawan ko na lang ng part 2. Bye bye.